Hey, welcome to another session of programming. Today we are going to be looking at explicit casting. Explicit casting basically it's converting a larger data type to a smaller size data type. For example, from double to integer, or from float to integer, or from long to character. It doesn't matter. So long as you are converting from a larger data size to a smaller data size. Let's take a look at this simple example. I'm going to be converting from double to integer. So double, give it I'll give it a variable name, my double, just give it that name, doesn't matter, any name. My double equal to, just say 5.79. All right, and semicolon. Now I want to convert this double into an integer. And the only way I'm doing this is because double is larger, remember? So I can convert it to an integer. So first of all, I want to declare an integer number. So I'm going to go int. I'll just say, okay, I'm probably going to assign my integer to an A. Let's just say integer is A, no value yet. So I want to convert it. So now if integer is A, now I want to take the value here and save it inside A, right? So that means I will be converting this double into integer, okay? So what do I do then? I will go A equal to, I will have to explicitly now specify that I want the results of this A to be an integer. This is where I explicitly cast it to say it is an integer now. So integer, then I will now say I just copy it, just say my double. Okay, so I'm explicitly assigning it now to an integer. It was a double here, now it's now an integer. So you just need to put the data type that you want to convert it to in front of it. Okay, now this A is now this my double is now an integer. All right, which of course is saved into the A. So just to make sure, just to test it, so we're going to print console dot write line, just do that. Let's call this command there, semicolon. Okay, and we're going to put A in it to print it out. Okay, let's see. That's it now. It's now an integer. You can see now that the 0.79 is gone, so it's now an integer. Okay, remember what we normally use to check. Remember the type. Let's do that again because I just want you to get used to it. So type, say I will just call this test, give it whatever name I want, equal to, I'm just going to now say I want to check what this is now, which is A dot get type, right? And just to print it as well, going to print it out as well. So we should have a system. Let's check the type of data type it is. So I just put this here now and let's print to double check what it is. Yeah, you can see that. So it's now an integer. So we've converted the double to an integer. So you can do the same with the others as well. All right, I hope that's clear enough. See you soon.